make 5 figures in 1 hour almost every single day, and give you that power to make that decision that can change your life. And this is not a gamble. This is a calculated, this is an intellectual, this is a skillful decision. And it's important because it's not just the profits, but it's the skill. It's the ability to be able to do this for the rest of your life every single day. That gives you purpose, that gives you identity, that tells you that you are the best in the world. And where can you go whereby you can receive such opportunities in your life? Who's gonna give you a qualification to a Grand Slam in tennis or let you join the major leagues? Those are impossible dreams. But this is within reach. And more than that, it can be learned without spending too much money. You have to remember that. Don't overspend on learning this. Lots of things free on YouTube. Even my Discord is not that expensive. Don't overspend on this. Yeah, because the most important thing about learning how to trade is to master yourself. You are the one clicking the buttons. You are the weakest link. So until you can get there and become better yourself, it's not just about the trading. It's about yourself. A lot of people spend a lot of money trying to compensate for who they cannot be. Instead of working on themselves, they spend money to compensate that. So don't be that kind of person. I don't want you to be spending $5,000 on a course. That's not the way. Paper trade this, get better, understand yourself as a trader, let the market reveal your weaknesses and the devil in you, and fix yourself. Because remember what I tell you. Even though this is a skill, the person clicking the buttons is always the weakest link. And that's you, and that's me. So you have to overcome this. And what's my solution to this? Firstly, don't overpay for stuff. Please don't be doing that. There is no secret formula. No course is going to save you, right? It starts from you studying every single day, and you have to be studying the right stuff. You'll be studying things that actually work. And in order for you to do that, you need to develop this very important word called discernment. When you have discernment, you are able to tell what's right and what's wrong. And you're able to direct yourself into learning the right thing. And after which you need to keep yourself accountable. And it comes with having a community, people with the same goal. So if you're joining a Discord server, you don't join somewhere where the people are just there to talk trash. The people are just there to confirm their own biases. The people are not there to want to learn. They're there to distract you from learning. Join a good community and be not just a participant, but also a contributor. Be a valued member of that community. And when you are accountable, when you are capped to a high standard yourself, that's how you are going to grow. So this is a journey. This is a lifelong skill, and I've shown you how amazing this can be, not just financially. Trading made me think I'm a winner. I think that's more important, well, arguably, than what the money can give me. But when you think you're a winner, you will go really far in life. Now, God led me to trading in my younger years. I never understood why. Now, the trading fraternity is a harsh one. It's ruthless. It's something that does not extol the values of what I believe in God. But I've learned to see another part of it. And I always tell my members that my first boss drove a Prius instead of a Ferrari. And that means something, right? Because I learned the right values from the right people in an industry that's supposed to be deviant from what we truly believe. I've learned how to manage risks more than just making profits. I've learned to be accountable and to put in the work when everyone else decides to party and I'm in the office doing analytical work, studying, preparing for the day ahead. So it's really important that I've learned to be in the right community, to be with the right people, to keep you to a high standard, and to, most importantly, introduce the right values to you in order for this to be sustainable, in order for this to last you your entire lifetime. You can learn a trick or two, make so much money right now, but if you don't develop the right values, you will lose them one day, because in our lives, what endures are values. Your values will endure. Your values will determine your behavior, your habits. They will endure, not the act of doing something itself. So if you're making profits today and you have no idea why, you don't know what values caused you to do that, that's not permanent. You're going to lose it one day. So always remember that. Yeah. Now, this is a really different video from what I used to do. I just thought of doing